Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use related databases in Notion for tasks in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the plus button at the end of your table's column headers to add a new property. A property type menu appears with options including text, number, select, date, and relation. Click on Relation to open the New Relation dialog where you'll choose which database to connect your tasks to. In the dialog, you'll see options for linking to an existing database or creating a new one. For this example, I'm clicking New Database to create a fresh database that will link to these tasks. This creates a two-way connection, so both databases will see the relationship. Click Add Relation at the bottom of the dialog to confirm, and a new column appears in your table called Related Untitled Database 1, which is now a working relation property, linking your tasks to that new database. Each cell in this column can now link to one or more items from that connected database. To remove or reconfigure the relation later, click the column header to open its menu, where you'll find options to rename the property, change the relation settings, or delete it entirely. Click Delete Property, and the relation column is removed from your table immediately. Once you've set up a relation, clicking into any cell in that column opens a picker, where you can search and select items from the connected database to link them to that task. If you need to link to a different database later, you can't change which database a relation points to. You'll need to delete the property and create a new relation instead. Relation properties work both ways automatically, so when you link a task to an item in the other database, that item will show the linked task in its own relation column without any extra setup. And that's how to use related databases in Notion for tasks. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.